Hello everyone, I will show you our air shower operating process. The first you see is the door. It's also made of stainless steel. The upper area is tempered glass. It's very strong. When we come inside this air shower, we can see at left side and right side. Left side have 6 nozzles, and right side also have 6 nozzles. It have 12 in total. And we can see here have a panel. The air comes inside from here. Then it passes through the filter inside, and the air spray out from all these nozzles. Also, we have LCD panel and a speaker inside. Setting area. Here we can choose the language. We can add your country language. Another thing is that the shower time. Right now it's 10 seconds. We can set as what we want. And we also have special mode like standard. We have 4 different modes here inside. The time pass out, the air shower finish, blowing finish. We come out. This door will automatically open, and we can pull this side to get out of this shower. I take one air speed test machine. We can check what is the air speed in total. It's almost 16 meters per second. This is ENERGE air shower factory. No matter where you're from, what is your country, you just call us or send us email to tell us your dimension, the size, the voltage, and the function. Then we will make you one.